in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County, Delaware County, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Muncie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muncie, Winchester, Yorktown, Union City, Albany, Eaton, Parker City, Farmland, Selma, Bridgetto, Saratoga, Ball State University, and Prairie Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Oh boy.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, and Randolph.